Hey guys, it's time for the weekly newsletter. Everyone has exactly the same assignments due on 11/14. Electric cars discussion, Coulomb's law, electric potential energy quiz, the circuits virtual lab, and there's a walkthrough of that posted in the newsfeed. The circuits and magnets quiz, and then the magnetism and electricity test. Remember, there are no extra credit opportunities in this course. I understand why you might want them, but there are none. There are no test retakes, test corrections, or extra credit of any kind. You have two more due dates left. October 14th is this week, and then there is no due date on the 21st because that's Thanksgiving week. And then on the 28th, it's actually the last week of class. You have the radioactive particles and decay quiz, half-life lab, and nuclear fusion discussion. And then that Friday, notice you've got a due date on Wednesday, and then your very last due date is a Friday. Half-life fusion, fission quiz, and the nuclear physics test. And then you'll have all your assignments in. That nuclear physics test is the very last thing. Then the final exam. Your final exam will be open from midnight on Wednesday, December 5th, until 11:59 on Thursday, December 5th. I guess midnight would be like morning, 12 a.m. Wednesday. So it's open for 48 hours from 12 a.m. when Wednesday starts all the way through Wednesday and until Thursday ends at midnight on Thursday. You get one attempt. There's no retake. The final exam is 20% of your overall average. And if you are curious as to how much things count, just go back and pull up your syllabus. It's on there. We are out the entire week of Thanksgiving. I will be checking my email if you need to contact me for some reason, but there is no due date on the 21st. We're out that entire week. The material's getting easier. You have just a handful of assignments, 2 tests left. Remember, there's no extra credit, so make these count. Keep your eye peeled on the news feed for tutorials and exam reviews. And that's all I have. Have a great week.